Hello everyone, today we'll see how to send signature requests on a PDF. So click create and then click PDF and then upload a file from your system and open it, and then you have to fill in all the details. So type the name of your recipient and also fill in the respective email ID and given a proper subject. You can also add the email IDs where you want the signed copies of your PDF to be sent to, and then click confirm. So now that the file is open, you can add in all the necessary fields that you want. So first of all, you have to select your signees from the list and uh, add all the necessary fields. So I'm choosing the signature field now. So click the signature field and drag and drop it where you want it to be placed. So you can adjust it using the arrow marks, or even you can choose edit styles and align it manually. You have to just click on the up and down arrows and adjust it. You can also choose any other fields that you want. For example, here I have an option to fill the date. So I'm going to choose the date field. So click on the date field and then drag and drop it where you want it to be placed. So likewise, you can also add the other necessary fields whichever you feel is necessary. For example, the checkbox, the radio group and the drop down can be used wherever you want to give choices to your signees or recipients rather than them filling it manually on their own. So after filling all the necessary fields, you have to click send. So an invite to sign the PDF would have been sent to your signees. Thank you.